This tree is believed to be 250 years old. It may be the oldest living thing in Jacksonville. Now, why is that so important? Because it's the symbol of compromise, of weathering storms, and yet it's still here, surviving. Why and how? This tree has figured out that if it bends and it flexes, that it might lose a few leaves, it might lose a few branches, but it'll survive and it'll thrive.
I've had the pleasure of spending time with Joy and Rudy and getting to see them navigate through life together. They've experienced some really beautiful highs and some really tough lows over the years. But through it all, they've cared for each other and stayed true to one another. I've seen the way they make each other smile and how genuinely happy they are together. Joy is one of the strongest, smartest, most independent women that I know, and she deserves nothing less than an equal partner. Rudy really allows her to see just how beautiful and loved that she is. And I really believe that she found her match in Rudy, and I'm so happy for them. And I can't wait to see what the future holds for these two.
I feel overwhelmingly lucky and proud to be standing beside you today. You know I break a lot, and many parts come in, and you're always standing over me when I wake up, and you take care of me. I know you're going to be an amazing wife. I vow to love you without any reservations or conditions. I vow to always do my best and continuously work on myself to be the best husband that you deserve. I promise to love you in good and bad. It will be a love that will withstand tides of time and grow with us to the end.
How can I ever fully express my love for you, or how deeply my commitment for you runs? The truth is, it's impossible to quantify. You have become not an extension of myself, but the best version of me. Life with you is more than a journey. It's definitely an adventure. You keep me laughing, encourage me to be my best, and everyone here knows that you worship the ground I walk on, for reasons I still don't know. Today I stand here open, honest, and transparent in front of God and those present to make you a few promises. I promise that I will probably still suck at doing laundry years from now. I promise that I likely won't take out the recycling frequently enough. I can also promise that I will probably still require your fashion help since I suck at dressing myself. But my biggest promise to you is this. I promise that I will try. I will try every day to give you the best version of myself. I will try to always do better than what I did the day before. And I promise to fully commit myself not only to you, but to your children and to their families. There may be a vision the world has for our relationship, but in the end, I don't want anything like the Hallmark Channel. I want something just like this. I commit myself to you today and every day moving forward, the ups and downs ahead of us. You have all of me, bubs.
I thought about all the years I've known Rudy, and I'm like, well, he's been my boss, he's been a mentor, he's been a friend, and it's the friendship that brings us all here together. The first time I met Joy, I'm like, wow, an instant best friend. I mean, it's like they're a matched pair. I mean, they're the kindest, most generous people I know. They're just amazing. On a personal note, I mean, I was sick a little bit a couple years ago. Joy and Rudy visited me every day. Joy spent a couple of days with me, full days, sitting there, just someone to talk to, and just, touched me forever. I'll never forget that. I'll never forget that. So, friendship is what brings us all here, and so I think it's time to raise a glass.
I can do that.
To the bride and groom, Joy and Rudy, may you be happy, healthy, and in love forever.